Today we are going to take that quad to this beach to fish in that water for snapper and anything else that decides to come along. Let's go. We are absolutely on. Holy, listen to that reel scream. G'day guys, my name's Brendan and welcome to another On Point Adventures episode. Today it is a beautiful weekend afternoon. We've got magnificent weather for once, which doesn't often happen, but today we're going to be chasing both species at night as well as some fish on the drone. So we've got our trusty Penn Fathom Electric and the Prevail, and for throwing baits we've got the Penn Spinfisher long cast on the Prevail Apex. We're just going to be throwing the standard muley rig there with a weed eater sinker for baits, and then of course just the standard Paternoster style rig for the drone. But where something's different on the drone rig, we're using one of these, which is a new sinker prototype or a new sinker made by Dust Sinker. I've not used these before. The advantage with these here is, if you can see just in the center there, you've got a little bit of foam. Throw that down there. And that enables you to put a bit of oil or whatever you want inside that sinker. So anyway, we'll just wait, I think, for the sun to go down just that little bit more. And yeah, we'll get into some fishing, I reckon. This right here is exactly why we use the quad. This beach here is soft as heck. I mean, have a look at my footprints down there. You can see that they're sinking down, where this quad here just has the ability, it just floats on sand. Even when it does get into this boggy stuff, due to how light it is, it just really pulls out. It's bloody fantastic. So yeah, I mean, there's one of the advantages of using a quad on the beach and why we've opted to go with exactly that. Oh, yep. Right, so there we go, guys. We're on to our first fish of the day. I know I'm going to get a bit of criticism for the electric reel, but at the end of the day we're doing massive drops today because the water is so clear. This is by no means a big fish at all, but you know, at least it's a start. It's pretty early on in the afternoon still, but as I said, we're doing massive drops today, and we're doing the bigger drops because this water is just so clear. Christ, I might even have lost this fish, but anyway, look, as I said, the water is just so clear at the moment, so it's so important that we get it out a long way. And if I look right out there, I don't know whether you can see it coming across the top, but you can see that desinker. Now that's proving that these desinkers are doing exactly what they were designed to do, which is to coast your bait up to the surface. And that's so when we're fishing these really heavily reefed areas, the bait comes straight up off the bottom, and we get everything in. But as I said, I know I'm going to get a lot of criticism for using this electric today, but you know, when you're dropping this far, whatever. Anyway, I'll turn it back on once this is in, because I'm convinced that the fish is gone, but that's okay. I've just put that rod on auto retrieve, but I just want to point out how well that desinker is doing its job. As you can see there, it's clearly just scooting in across the top. And the funny thing was, we actually had a bird chasing it halfway in. All right, well, yeah, look at it come across. It's like a little popper, isn't it? Well, there's the reality and result of it. No fish. I don't know why the fish didn't stick, but that's all right. But the funny thing is, you can see here on this float, you can see the teeth marks in it. So I'd definitely say that was a small snapper having a crack at this bait. Obviously they're starting to come around, so we won't waste a great deal of time. The breakaway on that, the sinkers work beautifully. let's get this bait back in the water.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy.
Second bait. After that first one got a good whack, but nothing really happened. We're sending out the second one. As I said, she's gone out now. You can see the drone right out in the distance there. Big long drops for clear water. Let's go.
You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything. It's killing me.
What have we got here? Skipping across the surface. Reel will go into stop mode now. Alright, let's have a look. What did we get? Wind. Could this be the world's smallest pinky? And I'm going to say yes. So there we go, guys. On the second drop, hopefully the smallest pinky that's swimming out there at the moment. I mean, it's an absolute baby. But, you know, that doesn't matter. It's a start. It's a fish. But at least we're on the board. Albeit we need something a bit better than that. Let's get it back in the water. And, yes, bid it farewell. Bye-bye, baby pink. And off it goes. Oh, no, it's swimming towards us. Go back the other way. Oh, let's give him a bigger throw. There we go. There's no mistaking which way's up now, and he's off like an absolute gunshot. There we go, guys. Small pink on the board. Now let's get its dad. The sun's certainly starting to get a bit closer to the horizon there. We're certainly expecting that it'll pick up a bit as that sun sort of hits the water and the snapper start pumping in through that channel onto this inside reef. Because what they're going to be doing is they're going to be pumping in and then coming into this inshore part here just to pick up all the bait fish and have a good time, really. Well, that's the theory. But as I said, so far we've got one small snapper, we've had one lost hookup, but you know, all in all, even without more fish, does it really get better than this? What a way to spend a weekend afternoon, I reckon. It is absolutely spectacular. Oh well, let's hope that the fish come on shortly, or at least something a little bit bigger. It only takes that one big fish to make the whole evening exceptional. Right, let's get ready for it. As you can see just here, we've got a huge pot of dolphins that's just come in out there as well. So that's really going to do the tailor fishing a world of good, but that's all right. They won't be bothering the drone bait at least. All right, we're on here. We are absolutely on. Holy, listen to that reel scream. Oh, no idea what we got, but holy moly. Oh no, come towards us. Yeah, I've got absolutely no idea what we got here, but that has hit like an absolute freight train. And now we've just got to hope we keep him on. Listen to that reel. Oh. And this is what beach fishing's all about. We'd been busted off on the drone, and then this rod's just flowing out that rod holder. Unbelievable. I think it took off too quick to be a ray, would be my thoughts. We might be playing with a shark, but in saying that, on an evening like this, anything could be coming in on that inside gutter. So it's running me up and down the beach. He won't be far off now. And this Prevail Apex, what a rod. Absolutely taking everything in its stride at the moment. What have we got there? It's just down in the surf there, I think. So we'll slowly start walking down, see what we got. It almost feels like we've got a tail kick, but it also could just be a filthy, filthy eagle ray. God, I wish I bought a better headlamp for this. I'd say it's an eagle ray, guys. It is a filthy, filthy little eagle ray. Oh well, we'll bring it up on the beach. Not too far, we'll get the hooks out of it. All right, we'll go get some better light. And yeah, we'll get the hooks out of this thing and get it released. All right, so here he is here. Stop flicking sand around. It's not going to do you any harm. Now we flip him on his back like this. Just so he's hooked really quite well there. So we'll just take our time getting him off. There's no rush. Once he settles down a bit, you just want to make sure you stay away from that pointy end. So that's as easy as you can get him off. Make sure we've got no line wrapped around him. Okay, now what you want to do is don't grab him in the gills like everyone else does. Just try and grab him in the top of his mouth there and yeah, flick him as close as you can to the water. You don't, if we leave him there like that, what will happen is once this water comes up a bit, let's see if we can drag him a bit closer. So you just fingers in his mouth and then there he goes. So as you can see, guys, he's swimming off now nice and happily. And that's an eagle ray done. Not my favourite thing on the beach, let me bloody tell you. Righto guys, well that's going to wrap me up. Unfortunately it was just that one small eagle ray and one small snapper, but all in all it was still a fantastic evening out. We've scoped out some new zones which show some super promise, and more or less we got to really test the capabilities of this Segway today up and down this super soft beach. It was ridiculously soft in areas and this thing just ate it up and kept going, which gives me ultimate confidence coming into winter on some of those storm washed beaches. Anyway guys, I'm going to tackle that behind me and yeah, work my way home. Oh, it's going to be a big trip, but still worth it. All right, guys, have a fantastic evening, and I guess I'll see you on the next episode. Catch you later.